My name is Joe Texera. I'm a product manager at MuxLab, and I'm here today at Markertek to talk about our new products that we've released over the past year and are about to release between now and the end of this year, 2024. I'm going to be talking primarily about our AV over IP products, and today we have recently released a product called Muximus, which is our controller. It's a new version of the controller we use to manage our AV over IP devices on the network. You only need one of them on the network, along with as many encoder and decoders as you need. But Muximus is taken a step further beyond what we've had in the past, allowing the operators to manage the over IP devices in a cleaner way with added functionality. Muximus allows you to discover all of our over IP devices on the network, allows you to manage their connectivity, manage their operation. You can configure them, you can update their firmware via the controller. The controller offers a web interface, and that's what you use to do all the management. It also allows you to set up video walls, multi-views, and manage general connectivity, create presets of connections, name them, and then call them up at any time to regain back that connection within a split second. So it's a very flexible and popular device to use with our over IP devices to do the management. In addition to that, Muximus has been designed to work with not only our AV over IP devices, but also our Dante devices, because we've added the Dante controller directly into the Muximus controller, as well as a digital signage controller. So you can manage our AV over IP, our Dante, and our digital signage products all from one device. That makes it a lot easier for the users of our system. Our AV over IP devices, we have a lot of them, over 35 different models that Markertek carries. And we're constantly growing that line. We have products for HDMI at 1080p, 4K30, 4K60. We have products for low latency, for low bandwidth applications if you need to stream over the internet. We have products that do video wall, multi-view, KVM. We have products that support both HDMI and SDI for Pro AV applications and broadcast applications. So a full line of products. We have introduced this year some new additions to the line. We've added a wall plate in our 4K60 category that run over a 1 gig network. The wall plate works with our standalone devices so that it's a transmitter, so you can use it for schools or conference rooms so that people can connect into the network and be able to share their content with various monitors within the infrastructure. We've added a streaming product. It's a receiver that works with our typical streaming products that we already carry, supporting H.264, 265, allowing you to send signals across the globe. But it integrates and operates as a digital signage product. And because our Muximus controller now supports digital signage as well as over IP, you use the same product to manage this device in its digital signage mode and its AV over IP mode from one controller. So that's very convenient and for the user to do that. We've also added a wall plate controller that works with the Muximus controller. It's a soft screen, touch screen, soft button that you create. You create various soft buttons to manage different devices, manage their connectivity, call up presets. You can program IP commands, RS-232 commands, and IR commands to various devices, whether they're over IP devices or otherwise. It also has dry contact relays to manage motorized screens for projectors or motorized curtains in a conference room. Very flexible device. And we've added one final product to the line. It's a streaming product, but that has additional capabilities over and above our existing line. This product offers seamless switching as an over IP encoder decoder. We have a version for 4K30 and a version for 4K60. It offers two products in one. In fact, there's an actual encoder and decoder in the same box working simultaneously so that you can connect. If you have a source and a monitor nearby, you connect both of them to this device and it'll operate simultaneously as a transmitter and a receiver, or otherwise an encoder decoder. And that saves you some money because the cost of this device is a little bit more expensive than just buying one transmitter or one receiver, but you get both in one box. So if you do happen to have a source and a sync device like a monitor nearby, you can take advantage of that and save yourself some money. This device also supports multi-view applications, up to 16 windows on a single screen, virtual windows in a multi-view application. It supports picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture. In other words, you can have them side by side, partially overlapping the images, the windows, or picture-in-picture, one window completely inside another window. It supports vertical mounting of your TV so that you can send images or videos vertically to the screen, and it also supports video wall applications with multi-view on the video wall as well. So a very flexible product. You can even add background images and scrolling text. So very flexible and capable product for over IP. So that's what we've introduced this year. I would encourage you to go to our site at www.muxlab.com. Or if you have any technical questions or any questions at all about our products, you can contact us at info@muxlab.com. Or our partner, Markertek, has our full line of products, and they know they've been selling our products for years. They know them very well. They're very well experienced with the products, so you can contact them, and they will be able to help you with any of our products, be it over IP or any of our other lines. And help you find the right product for the right job without any problems, and they'll be able to support you after the sale as well. So please visit Markertek at markertek.com, and they will have a full list of our products that you can look at. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.